what you got, girl? Miss didn't want to go in. Show me. You made it yourself?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? Yes. Are you glad I pushed you to go on in? Yes. Let's see what colors do we have. Did it turn out good? What is this?
This is a bouncy ball.
Oh, does it bounce? Oh, wow.
And I forgot all the colors.
Okay, these are nice. You ready to roll out, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready to roll out, ma'am?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.